Hey everyone, thank you for joining me in the first ever Clean and Decorate with Me video. And this video is the first of many to help motivate and inspire you to get things done that you may have been putting off, like me. In this video, we're starting with our Christmas decorations. So come along with me as we bring Christmas to our home. Well, since this is my first ever video, let me tell you a little bit about me. My name's Ashley. I'm a stay-at-home mom of two, a boy who's 10 and a girl who's almost 9, as well as 3 fur babies. I've been married to my husband Joe for 12 years now, and we live in a small, humble home. We make the most of it, and we're definitely grateful for it. If you're anything like me, cleaning is not something that you consider fun. But the end result of a clean home is what motivates me to push through and just get it done. I honestly hope that I can help motivate you to do the same thing. Christmas tree here we've actually had for a really long time. We bought this Christmas tree for my son's first Christmas ever, along with that angel that's up on the top. That angel has been my favorite. I use it every year. But honestly, I'm thinking I'm probably due for a new tree because this one's leaving little pieces laying around everywhere, even more things for me to have to clean up. We ended up putting the Christmas tree up about 9 o'clock at night. It was the day after Halloween that we put it up, and the kids were super excited. This part here was actually the next day while the kids were at school. I decided to start decorating and kind of surprise them when they got back from school. As you can see from this display, we don't really have a whole lot of inside decorations. We do have quite a bit of outside lights and decorations and things like that. But as far as the inside, there's not a whole lot, but we make it work, and I think we make it look pretty good. Now this beautiful ceramic Christmas tree right here that I'm putting in my kitchen is a very special Christmas tree to me. This is actually a Christmas tree that my mother had refurbished before I was even born. So this Christmas tree is actually older than I am. It's one of the very few things that I have left from her. She passed away when I was an infant from breast cancer. So this one is kind of really special to me because of the fact that I don't have a whole lot of things from her. these little ornaments that I'm putting on the tree, I actually had to go on Amazon and buy them because all the ones that she had then in it actually broke and were lost over time. So I went on Amazon and I found all these really colorful pieces, and also I had to replace the light and the wiring for it as well, but it's as good as new now. And this is what happens when you leave your camera alone for 5 minutes and your husband decides to take over and play with the dog.
Yeah. What you got?
If you made it to the end of the video, first of all, I have to say thank you. It's going to help out my channel a lot. And leave a comment down below and let me know where you're from. I'd like to know how far my videos are reaching and things of that nature. I'd also would appreciate any tips or any advice or anything that you think that I could do to help my videos be better, or anything that you would like to see me do. But just keep me informed and I'll try to accommodate everybody and their suggestions. Don't forget to hit the like button. That's really going to help me out as well. And subscribe. If you hit the little bell, it's going to let you know every time I upload a video, and there are going to be many, many videos to come, including the next one, which is going to be part 2 of this Clean and Decorate with me, where I will reveal the display of all my Christmas decorations and how I laid them out. And I really hope that you enjoy it and that you tune back in, and I will see you soon.
Christmas